As you know, winter season is here. This means having warm hot chocolate with a blast. So in today's video, we'll be making hot chocolate bombs. Hot chocolate bombs are chocolate spheres filled with hot chocolate mix and lots of marshmallows. Just pour some hot milk over it and watch the magic happen. Hey guys, I'm Chef Aruna from Truffle Nation Baking Academy, where we help aspiring bakers just like you to become professional bakers and start your own successful business. For making these chocolate shells, I am using all three kinds of chocolate, that is white, milk and dark. Can I tell you what makes my hot chocolate bomb better than the rest? Homemade hot chocolate mix. So let's start this recipe by making the hot chocolate mix. For this, in a bowl, we'll take natural cocoa powder, sugar, salt and some cinnamon powder and give it a mix. We'll keep this aside for further use. Now let's make the chocolate spheres. To begin with the recipe, we are using a silicone sphere mold. In this, we'll pour melted chocolate and spread it with a brush. Here, I am using a brush, but you can also use a spoon. Make sure while spreading it, you are not spreading it too thin, otherwise it may break while demolding. For making the white chocolate shells, I am mixing a little bit of edible white powder color to give it a more pleasant look. We'll let it set for some time. You can put it in a fridge or you can simply leave it in an air-conditioned room. Our chocolate shells are ready, let's demold it. Just a small thing to keep in mind while demolding it, do not apply too much pressure, otherwise the shells might crack. We'll heat the metal scraper and place a half sphere of chocolate to give it a clean look. Now we'll add hot chocolate mix and some mini marshmallows. Before sealing, place other half of the sphere on the heated metal scraper so that it's easy to seal it, and cover it with other half sphere. So before we begin, let me tell you about our upcoming online 4-day Christmas baking workshop. This is one of the most awaited online courses in which we are going to teach you 4 amazing Christmas special eggless recipes. And I can assure you, both your families and customers will love you for them. So simply click on the registration link available in the description area and enroll for the course today. Now let's proceed to the assembly part. As you can see, our chocolate bombs are ready. We'll now drizzle some melted chocolate over it and sprinkle some golden stars and golden flakes simultaneously. Here you go, the hot chocolate bombs are ready to serve. I hope you guys like this recipe. And do like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon every time we post a new recipe.